Feeling locked out of your Revolut account? Let's get you back in. First things first, don't panic. Seeing deactivated account is usually a security precaution to start your recovery. Open your Revolut app if the app is already open. Close it and reopen it to ensure the system has refreshed and is showing the correct screen. You should see a login screen instead of logging in. Look for the help or support button, often represented by a question mark or another icon. It is usually located at the bottom of the screen or somewhere on the side. Tap on it to initiate the support process. This will take you to Revolut support features. From here, look for the option to contact support directly, typically via chat or help center. It is key to be clear here. Explain that your account has been deactivated and what your issue might be. Provide them with your registered phone number or email address. The support team will likely request information for verification, such as proof of identity or address. They will ask you to confirm your identity through your registered phone number or email address. You may need to provide documents like a driver's license, passport, or a recent utility bill. Respond to this message. Now, be prepared to follow their precise instructions, which will appear like a step-by-step manual for you. The steps may vary, so the Revolut support team will give you clear, detailed instructions. Carefully follow the instructions, because compliance is essential. Once you've provided the information and have followed the steps, the support team will review it. Account reactivation times vary, but be patient. Double-check you've complied with everything required, and keep an eye on your email and the app for updates. With patience and cooperation, you'll regain access to your account. This detailed approach can help you navigate account reactivation faster. If all security checks have been passed, you should regain access with the correct information. Good job.